Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a job alert on the Jobsite application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the job alerts icon down below, or section, which is the fourth option, and here you should tap on create job alert. After that you should allow the application to have access to your notifications, so tap on open settings and then you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you should click on the second option, notifications, and tap on allow notifications to allow the app to have access to it. Click on the application again, and then you should type in the job title or skill, then the area, town, or postcode. And you can also apply filters to narrow down your search, such as recruiters, job types, and salaries. Here you can find these options. And after that, click on apply filters down below. Here you can turn on the push notification by tapping on this button, and you can select when would you like to get it, such as instantly, twice a day, or daily. Then click on the button create. As you can see, your job alert has been created, so you will find it in this job alerts section, and if you click on it you are going to see all of the results. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.